fine. So we went to view it, and yeah, there's nothing really wrong with the car. There's a slight issue with one of the front bearings, but nothing too major. We'll get that sorted. Brakes are good, engine's good. Exhaust might need sorting, but that's probably sorted tomorrow and Thursday anyway, because I'm having a bath one fitted. I've already fitted a bath bumpers to this, just because I wanted to have something I could tune a bit. I've never tuned a car, so I thought this would be, because it was so cheap, it only has 63,500 miles, which is not too bad for a 2009. My sixth one was a 2006, and that only had 43,000 miles. And that was a great car when we bought that, and really cheap. But now I'm part of the modern Fiat 500 club. I see them everywhere. They really all roast it down like that as you drive by. But of course I got my original 1970 Fiat 500, so it was really nice to have both cars parked up together, which would be great. It's like watching Van nearly wipe a boat go over in front of me. That's close. So yeah, what I thought I'd do is get my dash cam set up in the car today, do a quick video on this. I will have videos on this car of some things that I'm changing, like the side lights and everything. I've got to do suspension and brakes on this car. However, I've chosen to spend the money on the body kit just because the body kit came up so cheap. So yeah, I'm not putting suspension or brakes on it at the moment, or alloys. I saved the money up. Well, my goal was to get one for 2.5, but like I said, this one popped up cheap, so I thought, well, I'll use the rest of the money on putting alloys on the car. Some nice alloys. And then this body kit popped up, so I bought the body kit. Still got to get the skirts fitted, which will be in about 2 weeks' time, but I'm probably going to have them sprayed up before I get fitted now. Originally, this car was just going to have the panels fitted and the body kit, and then it was going to send off and get wrapped. But that's not happening now, just because I'm not going to be sticking with this car too long, because I have decided I'm going to go get in a bath instead. Instead of spending all the money on this, I think, well, maybe I should go and get a bath. We got most of like the turbo and everything, the interior's going to be nicer with the seats. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do that instead now. But I've got to keep the car for a while,